Here we're asked to find the derivative of a product function, that is the dy dx of y is equal to x to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by x to the power 2 plus 2. These functions, they are product of themselves. So I'm going to use the product rule to actually find their derivative. So we're going to use this question to illustrate how the product rule actually works. Before we go ahead, let's see the derivative of the product rule. The y dx using the product rule is going to give us u times the v dx plus v times the u dx. At some point, we're going to have some u, we're going to have some v. We're going to multiply u with the derivative of v with respect to x, or multiply v with the derivative of u with respect to x. So that's the formula or the function for the product rule function. Now we'll take this away from our screen and bring it much later, so I can have space. So how do we bring in u and v? So we'll say let u be equal to all that we'll have here, x to the power 3 plus 1. Then we'll let v to be equal to all that we'll have here, x to the power 2 plus 2. Then here we'll find u with respect to x, that is the u dx. That will give us 3 multiply x will give you 3x raised to the power 3 minus 1 is 2, plus this is 0. Again, on this other side, dv dx, what is that? 2 multiply x will give you 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. This here is 0. So these are derivative for dv dx. These are derivative for du dx. So bring back again the derivative for a product function. And that again is dy dx is always equal to u times dv dx plus v times du dx. So we'll substitute these values into the formula here. Here we'll have, what is u? U is what? X to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by dv ds. What's dv ds? That is what? 2x plus 2x plus v. What is v? S to the power 2 plus 2 brackets multiplied by du ds, and that is what? 3x squared. Can simplify further or rearrange. We'll have 2x brackets, these 2x bring to the front here, s to the power 3 plus 1 bracket close, plus here we'll have 3x squared bracket s to the power 2 plus 2 bracket close. This should be fine as your answer. The only time you go beyond here, if it's a multiple choice question and you cannot get this among your choices, you can decide to expand here and expand here, and probably correct like terms, you still arrive at the same answer. Another way of doing this, if you don't want to follow this rule or follow this process, is to here you expand these brackets here, you expand the whole of here, collect items, and derive and go ahead and find your derivative using the normal addition or subtraction rule. You're still going to arrive at the same answer at the end of the day.